in Osama City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Considering that all members are present, the chair now declares a quorum. Once again, good afternoon. Since the City Vice Mayor, Honorable Simplicia Oneri, is on leave, does this humble representation assume as the office in charge? In accordance with Section 2, Rule 2 of the Internal Rules of Procedure of this local legislative body, the table is now open for nomination of a temporary presiding officer for today's regular session. May I hear for a nomination?
Honorable Chair?
Yes, Honorable Tapayan, you are recognized.
Most respectfully nominate Honorable Lordy Felicipes to be our temporary presiding officer in this session.
Yours truly is nominated. Having only one nomination and is duly seconded by all, the chair declares yours truly as the temporary presiding officer for today's regular session. Thank you, honorable members. So this representation shall act as the presiding officer. I may now give the floor to our majority floor leader.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Honorable Chair, most of us know that most of us came from the second Governor Henry Seminal Cheese Festival at Aya Hotel in Claren, South Occidental. And we are not in proper attire. Therefore, I move on this motion to dispense with our rules relative to our proper attire during the sessions of the motion. On this motion.
On joint motion, as being stated by our majority floor leader, that it is approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. We proceed to item number 4, People's Hour. We have guests and visitors today from the Department of Education. May I ask the Committee Chairman of the Education, Honorable Yoko, to facilitate the attendance of our guests, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Po, you are hereby acknowledged by the Chair.
Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. Thank you, Madam Chair. So, good afternoon, everyone. We have in our regular session today the special presence of Mr. Quirino D. Lonsagon, the first Osamisnon who received the highest Dangal ng Bayan Award 2024 given by the President of the Philippines, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Along with several contendees all over the Philippines, Mr. Lonsagon, a public school teacher, emerged as one of the outstanding public employee after a series of rigorous screening procedures. In other words, one has to pass through an eye of the needle in order to have this highest recognition. With so much pride he has brought to Osami City, this Sanggunian would like to present to Mr. Quirino D. Lonsagon, who hailed from the tribe of Subanen, this congratulatory resolution, and through the kind indulgence of Honorable John Felduhay Lungsod, our SK Federated President, and being a member of the local school board. With this, we would like to invite Mr. Quirino Lonsagon to the front, and together with his DepEd family, for the awarding of our commending resolution. May I ask the Honorable John Felduhay Lungsod to recite the citations of the commending resolution given by this Sanggunian.
On Section 14, Article 12 of 1987 Constitution provides that the sustained development of a reservoir of national talents consisting of Filipino scientists, entrepreneurs, professionals, managers, high-level technical manpower, and skilled workers and craftsmen in all fields shall be promoted by the state. Pursuant to such constitutional ideals, Congress enacted Republic Act 6713, otherwise known as the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for public officials and employees, and through Section 6 thereof established a national system last 14 February 2024. In terms of commitment to public interest, the award is selfless concern for learners, especially during the COVID-19 public health and institutional medium for the expression of the sentiments and values of the body politic of Osamis City, granted by the commitments of the Ascenso Osamis slogan of good governance. By adopting this resolution, desires to manifest its appreciation for the model of citizenship that Mr. Lonsagon has put forth before all present and aspiring public servants, so as to encourage everyone in similar positions of responsibility to man their post with a similar, if not better, faith, integrity, commitment, honesty, character, and intellect, founded upon a profound sense of selfless duty, for the rewards are great. Suizo Jr., Relinda A. Bation, and approved by the City Mayor, Attorney Henry F. Waminal Jr. Congratulations, sir.
Sir, we proceed to item number 5, approval of the agenda for the day. There are two written votes and sessions on the chair for their business. First, I can request for us to pass a resolution controlling, adopting, and implementing the Philippine Plan of Action on Nutrition 2023 to 2028. The second position of the is a resolution realigning the amount of 115,348 pesos and 25 centavos from item terminal leave benefits to monetization of leave credits Office of City Council. These are to propose suggestions of the chair. With this, I move on this motion to approve the agenda of the day with two insertions of the chair.
Approval of the agenda for the day is hereby moved with two inclusion as being stated by our majority floor leader. Is there any comments? Hearing none, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Everybody was honest copies of the minutes of our previous regular and special sessions on May 21, 28, 29, 30, 2024, and I guess everybody was able to peruse and examine the contested Honorable Chair. So I move the motion to dispense with the reading of the minutes for previous regular and special sessions on top of these minutes into to Honorable Chair.
Minutes of May 21, 28, and 29, 2024 of regular session and special session have been moved for approval. Any comments or reaction? Hearing none. On joint motion, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. I can receive letter B from the desk of Honorable Cecil Yuko. A resolution granting a cash award of 50,000 pesos to Quirino Dolores Lunsagon pursuant to City Ordinance number 130-2024, otherwise known as the Sinchon Samis, the Dangal Lungsod Ordinance of 2024 for having been proclaimed as recipient of National 2023 Dangal ng Bayan Award given to outstanding public officials and employees by virtue of Public Act 6713 or the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards, Public Officials and Employees. And I ito, the chairman of the Committee on Education, Honorable Cecil Yuko, to introduce an explanation this item, Officer.
Honorable Go, you are acknowledged by the Chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. So I move to pass a resolution granting a cash award of 50,000 pesos to Mr. Quirino Dolores Lunsagon pursuant to City Ordinance number 1300-2024, otherwise known as the Ascenso Osamis Dangal ng Lungsod Ordinance of 2024, for having been proclaimed as a recipient of the National 2023 Dangal ng Bayan Award given to outstanding public officials and employees by virtue of Republic Act 6713 or the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees for first reading with reservations.
There's a motion from Honorable Go to pass for first reading with reservation a resolution granting a cash award of 50,000 pesos to Quirino Dolores Lunsagon pursuant to City Ordinance number 1300-2024, otherwise known as the Ascenso Dangal ng Lungsod Ordinance of 2024, for having been proclaimed as a recipient of the National 2023 Dangal ng Bayan Award given to outstanding public officials and employees by virtue of Republic Act 6713 or the Code of Conduct and Ethical Standard for Public Officials and Employees. For first reading, motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. So in line with the city ordinance that we passed a month ago, number 1300-2024, otherwise known as the Ascenso Osamis Dangal ng Lungsod Ordinance of 2024, provides for a cash grant of 50,000 that is sourced from the appropriation from the Office of the City Mayor in appreciation of exemplary accomplishments by any Osamisnans, and so that upon approval of this resolution, the cash award of 50,000 shall then be presented to Mr. Quirino Lunsagon on July 16, 2024 during the closing ceremony of the 76th Fiesta or Charter Anniversary next week. So without further ado, I would like to pass this on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
As being stated by Honorable Ko, the Honorable Ko is passing this resolution granting a cash award of 50,000 to Quirino Lunsagon for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Is there any comments or reactions? Hearing none, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are no items Under item number 7, letter C, we proceed to letter D, message communications. Number 1, resolution number 484-24 of the Secretary of Legal of Misamis Occidental, approving resolution number 199-2024 of the Secretary of Misamis, approving the supplemental Mr. Program 2024 General Fund and 5% LDRRMF SB1 for 125,709,684 centavos. Number sir, I recommend that this resolution of this applicant be in the meantime be duly noted in the record of City Council.
Resolution number 484-24 of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, Misamis Occidental, approving resolution number 199-2024 of the Sangguniang Panglungsod of Misamis, approving the Supplemental Investment Program 2024 General Fund and 5% LDRRMF SB1 in the amount of 125,739,699.84 pesos. This item is duly noted by the Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Number 2, the LG Region 10 message, June 14, 2024 with subject, dissemination of Memorandum Circular number 2024-080, dated June 13, 2024, entitled Batang Pinoy National Championship 2024. This DIG message refers to the nationwide youth sports competition to be held on December 15 to December 21 this year, 2024, on Occidental. And I recommend that this will also be duly noted in the record of City Council.
Item number 7, letter D, number 2, the ILG Region 10 message dated June 14, 2024 with the subject dissemination of Memorandum Circular number 2024-080 dated June 13, 2024 entitled Batang Pinoy National Champion 2024. This item is duly noted by the Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Number 3, the LG Region 10 message dated June 18, 2024 with subject dissemination of the guidelines for undertaking foreign benchmarking activities. The principal requirement of foreign benchmarking activities is invitation from the host country or the sponsoring agency, but in the meantime, I recommend that this message of the LG be just related to the record City Council.
As being stated by our Majority Floor Leader, that this item number 7, letter D, number 3 is duly noted by the Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Number 4, the LG Memorandum dated June 19, 2024 with subject reiteration of the guidelines on engaging with private non-government organizations and other organized groups. I also recommend that this Memorandum of June 10, the LG, be also be duly noted in the record City Council.
The ILG Region 10 Memorandum dated June 19, 2024 with the subject reiteration of the guidelines on engaging with private non-government organizations and other organized groups. This item is duly noted by the Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Number 5, trust fund, trial balance, statement of financial position, statement of cash flows, other financial statements, Honorable Chair, which record are readily available at Office Secretary President. I recommend that this financial statements be duly noted in record City Council.
This financial statement, trial balance, is duly noted by the Chair. Anyone wish to peruse this trial balance, it is available at the office of the Secretary of the Sanggunian.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 8, committee report submitted. There are two committee reports. Committee of the Whole, dated June 2024, regarding the Reserva Group for Peace Kusina and Reserva Source project of Mr. Ray Alba in Barangay Stinson, Abordo. As well as the Committee of the Whole committee report, dated June 27, 2024, regarding the boundary disputes of 14 barangays of Pasay City. I move omnibussly that these two committee reports be adopted and be concord for approval of the first reading with revisions.
The Honorable Marcelian Tapayan. Moving this two committee report, the Committee of the Whole dated June 20, 2024 regarding the Reserva Group for Press Kusina and Reserva Suites project of Mr. Ray Alba in Barangay Stinson, Abordo. Committee of the Whole dated on June 27, 2024 regarding the boundary dispute of 14 barangay of Usami City. This committee report is approved on joint motion.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Due to the urgent demand of public interest, I therefore move that these two committee reports, item letter A and letter B, be unanimously be adopted and concurred for approval on second and final reading, waiving the rules, Honorable Chair.
As being stated by the majority floor leader, that this two committee report is being adopted and concurred for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 9, please proceed to letter B. Business for the day for second reading. A resolution approving the conduct of free, prior, and informed consultation to be held by National Commission on Indigenous People in CIP, Misamis Occidental, in connection with the Reserva Group for Picosina and Reserva Source project of Mr. Alba in Barangay Stinson, Abordo. And I yield to Chairman of the Committee on Indigenous People, Honorable Bae Linda Bation, to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Bae, you are acknowledged by the Chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair and Majority Floor Leader. Madam Chair, I move to pass a resolution approving the conduct of free, prior, and for consent consultation to be held at the National Commission on Indigenous Peoples NCIP, Misamis Occidental, in connection with the Reserva Group for Press Kusina Reserva Source project of Mr. Ray Alba in Barangay Stinson, Abordo. I move to pass this for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules, Madam Chair.
Honorable Bae Relinda is moving this for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules, a resolution approving the conduct of free, prior, and informed consent consultation to be held by the National Commission on Indigenous People, NCIP, Misamis Occidental, in connection with the Reserva Group for Press Kusina and Reserva Suites project for Mr. Ray Alba in Barangay Stinson, Abordo. Is there any comment or reaction? Hearing none, motion approved.
One TV special report.